Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk about a new launch from Huda Beauty, which is skincare. Now, Huda Beauty is really well known for her makeup products, and I personally have never tried them, but I was really intrigued when I saw on Twitter that she had launched a skincare line called Wishful, and her first product is an enzyme face scrub called Yo Glow. Has cute packaging, has cute claims. However, I think this product is a little bit misleading. Okay, so first impression, I saw the scrub and I was like, oh no. Because we all know what happened with the Kylie walnut scrub. Everyone freaked out over that, including myself. I freaked out over it too because walnut scrubs are super harsh. They're crazy abrasive and they're crazy bad for your skin. So when I saw that Huda Beauty was launching a scrub, I was like, oh boy, here we go again. But actually the physical exfoliant in here is not walnut shell particles, it is cellulose. So to announce this brand new skincare launch, Huda Beauty filmed a video for her YouTube channel in which she talks through the product and how she uses it. And in her video demo, she says that she can visibly see dead skin cells lifting away and being cleansed away. So I wanted to quickly address that because I think that's something gimmicky that she's kind of trying to profit on, but it's actually not rooted in fact at all. So what the Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub essentially is that it's a peeling gel, and peeling gels are very common in the Korean skincare world. They're nothing new, but we really haven't seen a lot of peeling gels in Western skincare so far. In reality, what she's seeing are tiny little clumps of the peeling gel material, a combination of the enzymes and also the cellulose balling up together to create these tiny little clumps that are then going to exfoliate the skin. So when you see these like tiny little balls on your skin, it's not dead skin cells entirely, it's also the material of the peeling gel. There are probably dead skin cells in there mixed around, but it's not just dead skin cells, because that would be pretty scary to sit there and rub a peeling gel on your face and have a whole layer of little clumps coming off of your face. Like that freaks me out. So peeling gels are really unique because they offer a really gentle type of physical exfoliation, but beyond that, I don't think they're all that special, just because they're nothing new to the industry as far as Korean skincare goes, and also they're just like super gentle. So my problem is the claim that Huda says that it instantly brightens and instantly leaves a glow on your skin. Now, a big component of the selling part of this Yo Glow enzyme scrub is the enzyme part. So they have papaya enzyme, pineapple enzymes, aka bromelain, and then it also has AHAs and BHAs. Now, the problem with this is that when you wash something immediately off, you're not gonna see a whole lot of results. Now, using a wash-off acid, in my opinion, is going to do nothing for your skin. In my opinion, acids work best overnight, multiple times a week for months at a time in order to see the best results. Now, I don't know what percentage acid this particular product from Huda Beauty's Wishful skincare line contains. I will say that some acid peels, like that really scary blood red mask from The Ordinary that everyone uses, that one, I think it's like 30% acid, and so that's pretty high. And so obviously you don't want to leave that on your face overnight. That would be a little bit too much for the skin. And so you do rinse it off after a duration of time. But my guess is that this enzyme scrub from Huda Beauty has a relatively low percentage of acids in it because it is claimed to be very gentle. And so gentle to me means a low percentage of acids. If you want to see these claims of brighter skin and overall even skin tone and lessening of hyperpigmentation, you gotta start using your acids overnight multiple times a week over the course of several months. I have a video coming up that's all about acid toners. I talk about my absolute favorite acid toners. I demonstrate how I apply them on my skin, what products I use with them. That video is coming very soon, this week actually. But in summary, there are basically two types of facial acids that we generally use in our skincare. There are beta hydroxy acids and alpha hydroxy acids. So beta hydroxy acids, or BHAs, or salicylic acid, are really special because they're oil soluble, which means that they can actually penetrate into the pore and exfoliate the pore lining and clean everything out. That means that it helps with clogged pores, blackheads, whiteheads, everything about your pores. A BHA is going to really help to clear up. Now on the flip side, there are alpha hydroxy acids, and alpha hydroxy acids are not oil soluble, they're actually water soluble, and so they actually are very hydrating. And alpha hydroxy acids, there are a number of ingredients that fall under the category of alpha hydroxy acids, such as glycolic acid, lactic acid, and mandelic acid. So AHAs are cool because what they do is that they actually undo the glue between skin cell layers in order to exfoliate away dead skin. So when using an AHA overnight, multiple times a week, over the course of several months, you're going to see your overall skin tone being a lot more even. You can see hyperpigmentation going down. You'll probably see your skin be a lot more hydrated because alpha hydroxy acids do have hydrating properties. So overall, acids are freaking great. I love AHAs, I love BHAs. I personally use both of them in my skincare routine, but I am very skeptical that you will see results if you have a wash-off formulation like this Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. And I think this is the problem with the skincare community in general, is that we want to see overnight results. We're unhappy with our skin, we want to see overnight results, we want to see change, we want to see products that perform miracles. So changes in the skin generally take time. Personally for me, it takes 30 to 90 days for me to see a dramatic change in my skin when I'm introducing a new product or a new practice in my routine. It really varies depending on the person and how aggressive you are with your skincare treatments. But in general, my skincare philosophy is tiny and daily. So you use tiny corrective actions such as introducing an AHA or, you know, switching to a fragrance-free moisturizer, and you do it daily in order to see the best results. You don't want to shock your skin with like a crazy strong acid peel or something if you don't need it. So with the wash-off formulation like this, I just personally don't think you're going to be seeing a whole lot of results. You'll probably see that your skin is going to feel immediately softer after using this product because of the cellulose and the peeling gel technology that's going to help exfoliate your skin physically. But to chemically exfoliate your skin, to see lasting impact in your skin at a molecular level in your skin cells, you need to be using an overnight product multiple times a week over the course of several months in order to see the best results. The other issue with this product is that I'm kind of worried that people are going to use it as a cleanser. Now in the directions, it says to use it 1 to 2 times a week, but then Huda in her video says that she uses it every day, and I have to wonder if she uses it as a cleanser. Now, most peeling gel formulations do not contain surfactants, and if you don't know what a surfactant is, it's okay. Surfactants are molecules that are really good at cleansing the skin because they contain a hydrophobic component, aka an oil-loving component, and then also a hydrophilic component, aka a water-loving component. So a combination of those two properties really help surfactants to cleanse away impurities on the skin, such as sebum and makeup and excess skincare products and other sort of nasties on your skin. Now I highly doubt that this product does contain a surfactant in it just because most peeling gels don't contain surfactants, but I think it's important to note in the directions of this product that you should go in with a normal cleanser. I don't know a whole lot about this product, to be honest, because the ingredients list, to my knowledge, as of when I'm filming this video, which is Tuesday, February 4th, the ingredients are not on the website, so I can't definitively say that this does or does not contain a surfactant. But if it does contain a surfactant, then yeah, you can use it as a cleanser every day if you want to. But if it doesn't contain a surfactant, I do think it's necessary to go in with an additional cleanser that contains surfactants. While I think this product is really cute and I actually kind of want to try it because I do enjoy peeling gels, I just think that it's a little bit misleading, and I think people are going to be a little bit disappointed when they don't see these crazy dramatic results that Huda claims this product will impart on your skin because it's a wash-off formulation. As soon as that acid hits your skin and starts to work, you immediately wash it off. So really, you're not going to see any sort of dramatic, amazing result on your skin. And I still think that even if you use it multiple times a week, this particular scrub, I don't think you're gonna see results. That's my honest opinion. I just don't think it's gonna be that amazing. If you guys want me to actually buy this product and test it out for myself and really see if the wash-off formulation actually does anything, because right now, all that I'm speaking about is like purely hypothetical and also kind of based in chemistry and research, but it's also anecdotal. From my personal experience, using these wash-off formulations are not very effective. I have to use overnight formulations. But anyway, if you want me to actually test this product for myself, because I think this product is going to be very, very popular because Huda Beauty has a huge following, then comment down below that you want me to test this product and give this video a thumbs up so I know what you're thinking, and I will be sure to test it out for you guys. So overall, I hope you guys found this video informative and educational about how these acids work best. If you like these types of videos where I talk about popular skincare products from a chemistry perspective, then give this video a thumbs up and comment down below with what kind of products you want to see in the future on my channel. So because my background is in chemical engineering and I took a lot of chemistry classes, and you know, I learned a thing or two, all of my videos are rooted in chemistry and biochemistry and science because that's what I truly believe in. That's what my passion is. And so I want to bring that sort of informational content to you, but break it down in really easy to understand terms. So anyway, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending this time with me. Have a beautiful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.